Alright, I want to make a quick video about what we went over today. This is for y'all B kids. Just watch it. Just try to watch it, and it's just that way you'll have an idea of what we're going over in class. Alright, so scientific notation. Again, most of y'all, I think, probably know this, but we're going over it because y'all spent like 5 months off of school, pretty much. Scientific notation. Notation. Alright. So, if our problem, let's just say it'll look something like this. 2, that's a point, 5 times 10 to the third. Now remember, oops, that does not look like a 3. To the third. Now remember, this is basically saying what? 2.5 times 10 times 10 times 10. But they're working smarter, not harder. So they found out an easier way to write it, which is 10 to the third. So the first thing you do every time for doing this is you rewrite this number, which is 2.5 for this problem. So rewrite it, 2.5. So you have your number. Now this, the exponent, which is the 3, this is called the exponent. This is going to tell you how many times to move your decimal. This is going to tell you how many times to move a decimal. So if you have a piece of paper out, write that down. So since it's a positive, we want our number to get bigger. So we're going to move our decimal to the right. So for this, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and we're going to fill in the zeros. So now our new number is 2,500. All right. So now, pretty easy. So now if you want to, you might be thinking, well, what do we have to do for a negative? So if it was 3.7 times 10 to the negative, 2. Well, remember, the first thing, again, we have to do is rewrite this number, which is 3.7. All right? So now that we rewrote it. Okay, that's a tongue twister. So, looking at this exponent, and this tells you how many times to move your decimal and where to move it. So since it's a negative, we are going to move it to the left because it's going to become a smaller number. So again, we're moving the decimal 2 times. We're not adding 2 zeros at the end. So now we're going to go 1, 2. So now your new number is 0.037. All right? And so we'll do one more, just to clarify that you probably got it. So we'll say it's 3.2. Actually, no. Here's what I want to do. What if it's 4 times 10 to the second? All right. So you might remember our first thing is to rewrite this number right here. So we have 4. Now you might ask yourself, where in the world is that decimal? Well, for whole numbers, the decimal is always right after it. All right. So since we look at the exponent now, and it's 2, and it's a positive, that is going to tell us that we're moving it to the right. The number is going to get bigger. So here's our decimal. We're going to go 1, 2. So you write 2 zeros. And our new number is 400. So yeah, hopefully this helps. If not, let me know. It'd be great if you could watch it before the class period. Sometimes that'd be great. But anyway, I hope this helps. All right. Have a great day.